This is the Grip 360 and the 50mm scraper sander from Davis Tool Systems. We have taken it down to its core spindle, as well as the sleeve and the components that make up the Quick Connect. And this is to show why it's such a great quick connector. In the first position, you have the two annular grooves, and that one allows you to have free rotation. So now you're more comfortable when you do your strokes on long ones. Your hand wants to twist like this, or it can. And even on short ones like this, you can dig in and change positions in order to achieve your goal. And look, I can switch position and attack, and that means you won't get as much callus because there's no torque against you, working against you. The other thing is the ball bearings are providing the shear strength that goes behind that. And why would we want that much shear strength? It's because we have the Tango 360 multi-tool coming out next. And if you're going to put 800 to 3,000 strokes per minute, you don't want that to be a problem. And here we are at 3,000 strokes per minute. So just like that, and I'm in free rotation. I'll just slow it down a little bit, and I'll even make it hard like this. And you can see how I can twist and turn in tight positions. This makes sense. And then of course being able to attack at different angles and different speeds. So, Tango 360, Davis Tool Systems, Grip 360.